How to check who viewed your TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to check who viewed your TikTok videos. So let's begin. Just a disclaimer, TikTok still doesn't have an option in which you can see who viewed your videos. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then choose a video that you want. So for example, I will choose this one. And then right here, you may be able to see the names or the profile of those who like your video. So if someone liked your video, then that basically means that they have seen your videos. And also, let's say for example that you want to see the number of views of your TikTok videos, you may go back to your profile and see the number of the number of views on your TikTok videos. Since again, you cannot see who viewed specifically your TikTok videos, you may only see the number of those who viewed your TikTok video. You may also go to analytics by going to the three lines right here found on the upper right corner and click on creator tools. Once you're here, click on analytics, wait for it to load, go to content, and then choose the video that you want. So click on it, wait for it to load, and as you can see, there are numbers right here, which has the number of views, the number of likes, the number of comments, shares, and save. So that's it. That's how you can check who viewed your TikTok videos. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.